this is the, what's it called, Joe?
Club room.
Milanese in Singapore City Centre. And we are in the club room, and this is the view from the club room. The pool's just out there, and an indoor seating area, which is where John and I are. Some of the food that we've got. But there's a nice selection. They serve cocktails, champagne, wine, beer, whatever you want. They have 2 specialty cocktails each day, and that's the one I'm having today, and it's really, really refreshing. And I can't wait to get into these yummy desserts. So people are sitting outside. It's probably much hotter than in here. We're nice and cool with the aircon. But the pool, I don't know if you can see it. Here's the pool, just out there. And to this side is that building I like with all the ivy growing on it. It's quite nice. So this is the rest of the club room, the TV, some more seating with larger tables. I'm doing a walkabout now to show you how nice this is. Just to remind you again, this is the Sofitel Singapore City Centre. It's a new hotel, and got some really nice little touches. Now look at this for the kids. Beau the Bee. I'm going to show this to my granddaughter Lara. And Singapore tea. They make the best tea. And some craft beer here. Okay, so I'll show you the rest of it. That's the reception down there, which is very nice. They say bonjour. Of course, because it is a French hotel. Sofitel brand. They have coffee. The girls in here are great. They will make the coffee for you. There's plenty of tonic water and all that kind of stuff. There's a bit of the bar. There's my husband down there getting into the food. So there's the drinks. I'll show you some of the food they've got. So Joe's just got a seafood noodle mix. I'll try and show you what's under here. That's a warm quinoa with seasonal vegetables and tomato. I've got some of that on my plate, so I haven't tried it yet. That looks good. Yeah, no, very good. I just want to show my granddaughter. She's been asking me questions, so I'm going to show her what we are doing. She's only 7.
She's only 7.
But she wanted to know everything. She's in Melbourne. Yeah, but she wanted to know how long our flight was and everything. So she wants to meet us at the airport when we get home.
Yeah.
And we're not getting home until about 1:45 in the morning.
Oh,
So she's saying, oh, I can stay up till midnight. So
cute.
she's so cute. So she sends me emails, and I'm sending her photos. Okay, so I'll show you the rest. So I caught the salmon there, and the cheese. Nice selection of fruit. I love that they have books everywhere. Very, very nice touch. And the cheese, nice cheese and yummy, yummy desserts. So that's the selection of desserts. Okay, so I'll take you back to our table. And there's Joe waving me away. My good that the pool is so close to the club room.